talking about fashion arbitrage, you can sell office wears, you can sell female wears, and then you sell them online. You can use the platform like Konga, Jumia, and other online digital platform that can help you convert your product into money, right? Your money into product, product into money, money into product, product into money. And the beautiful thing about this is that when money keeps coming in on a regular basis, you can then obtain loan from the financial institution, right? This is something that can really help you make, manage, and multiply money. Now, another business model that I will talk about that can help you make money in 2026 is the agri processing business. Of course, agri business is good. You plant and then you wait for harvest. Is a good one, but I'm not focusing on agri business today. I'm talking about processing business, agri processing business. This is a business model that can help you make money. Why is it a sweet model? For farmers, for farming. If you would farm, you will spend, depending on the life cycle of the product, you can spend like about 6 months to 9 months trying to farm a product. And then when you harvest it, you sell. You can't make money until you harvest. And that way, you may not be able to do business with a bank. You may not be able to do business with a bank because the bank want to do business with people that have turnover, daily turnover, weekly turnover, monthly turnover. So you see, farming is good if you are starting a food processing company just like we do at Zenith City Foods. We had a 10-acre farm that we use as a backward integration. We farm maize and cassava. The maize has been harvested. Now for the cassava is taking over 9 months. And then let's say it will take additional 1 month for you to harvest because it's a largest part of land. It's not one plot. So you have to have your team that will come up and do the harvest. Now, having harvested the product you sell, it took you 10 months to to have a business cycle. But you see, in the area of food processing and agri business, food processing business rather, in the area of food, agri processing and food business, you make money faster because you don't have to wait for 9 months or 6 months or 3 months or 11 months or 3 years, as the case may be. Bear in mind that agri business is good, but it is wiser to go into the food business. Take for instance the popular agri business that is pushed online right now is a palm oil business. No matter how predictable you will predict your what's it called, your you will do your feasibility study, it can never be the same with what you experience live. From experience, your business model, you set models, you 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 set models, you set your feasibility study. Okay, in the next 7 years, is what I'm getting from this palm oil business. It is not so. There are several uncertainties in the agri business. But then one of the ways you can be wiser is to allow the people that want to do the farm, buy from them and supply. In fact, in the agri business, you may not even be involved in buying from them. You may create a digital platform that helps people, rural farmers and urban consumers, and then you collect processing fee. That's also agri processing. You collect processing fee, just like creating a digital agri platform like Jumia that is only agri product they sell. Okay, can somebody connect to somebody in Maiduguri and you import from Maiduguri 50 to 100 bags of cassava? Those kind of digital platform can help you make money. But if you don't want to go digital, because digital involves a number of infrastructure with your website and then marketing, if you don't have the strength, you can simply dip your hand into the business yourself and then start processing. You can buy cassava, process, buy maize, process. You can buy palm kernel and process into oil, palm oil. This is something that can help you make money. Somebody saying, wow, this is enlightening. Very enlightening, very, very enlightening, right? This is something that can help you make more money. What is the beauty? Number one, you buy from somebody that's taking them 4 years to plant and get return on investment. Do you know what it means to to have farmed for 4 years? Do you know what it means to have farmed for 4 years? Do you know what it means to have farmed for 4 years? Having farmed for 4 years, time value of money is gone. In business, what we call time value of money. There's what we call um, payback period. It's taking you 4 years for you to get your cash flow back. Okay, let's start from time back value of money. Okay, you projected that you'll be making 8 million from the palm kernel business every year. After 4 years, it has germinated. From now to the next 4 years, I'm going to spend money on farm management. I'm going to spend money on seedling. I'm going to spend money on farm maintenance. I'm going to spend money on farmers, their salary. I'm going to spend money on farm infrastructure. It is good. It is a business that can make you money. But then there's a way you look at business on an analytical point of view. Oh, in 4 years' time, I can make 8 million from this. But I can start making 3 million every month from this right now. In the next 4 years, I would have made over 12 million. Now, the 3 million I make right now is better than the 8 million I want to make in the next 4 years, because in the next 4 years, 8 million will not be 8 million again. 8 million may be 5 million because of the time value of money. Just like what I explained with the transportation arbitrage business, meaning that if 4 years ago I can buy a car for 1.8 million, for that is 1.8 Toyota Corolla, 4 years after, the Tokumbo, the same foreign used car that is being sold for 1.8 million, is now selling for over 9 million. Can you see that is a 50% devaluation or 50% reduction in purchase power? So when somebody is strategizing, there are a number of metrics you have to look out for. So this is something that can do what, that will really, really help you make, manage, and multiply money. That's a food processing business. So you want to look at which platform. Yours could be um, yours could be there are several niche, right, that you can be involved. It may not be processing, it just can just be food trading. You buy from the market, you supply the urban market. You buy and you supply. You buy and you supply. You buy and you supply on a weekly basis or on a monthly basis. There is cash flow coming in.